So, my brothers and sisters, my people, good afternoon. Here is your girl, Mama AND, the golden voice. My people, story day, not be small matter. I fit do some video to talk about my story, wetin dey happen once I take get paper and everything. So, inside December last year, I never even do that German video before some people begin to talk now say, now because of the video when you do concern Germany, now I made they send you rejection. No. That time I never even do that video. They can't send me paper. Say, they'll carry my enemy go back. I can't say, yeah? What thing I do? I can't call Banff. Because me, I don't get lawyer. I know they like to carry because I just believe, say, God now my lawyer. I can't call Banff because they put their number, everything there. As I call them, they say, I need to wait. Still get another paper when I could still receive. Now I say, okay. They say, now I don't need to do anything. Unless if I don't receive that letter, before I go know what thing I go do. I can say, okay, no yawa, problem, no deal. So, I think that was on the 30th. See the date here. May not be said the lie. See the date here for up here. That was on the 30th of January, 2020, this year. So, they can't send me this letter. So, this one. As they send down, I read down. I say, I can't fear. I fear this thing when they talk small. So, I fear. As I read the letter, I say, what did those people do? Now only small they can't write for English. This one na English, very small. See German, the package jam. So as I read, as I see, I say, which can't it be this? I can't call my oga. My oga can say, I beg you need to go carry lawyer immediately. Now I say, no, why I go carry lawyer? I no be Azul. I no fit carry lawyer. When one carry lawyer come dey fight, when be say, since when I even come here, I never carry lawyer once. I can still talk to some people, some friends. So people come even they advise me if I go wrong, go another country. I say no. I don't feel promote because this place, my son is a citizen of this country. Not be say because I born here and I make a citizen, but because he papa na Germany. Now I say, what thing I go do? I can't, as the people don't, okay. As people come they disturb, say this and this, nice, okay, me I go lawyer. As I go one lawyer here, the woman check and the woman say she not be Azul. She can't give me another lawyer number, address when I go. So I don't go because I don't know. I just too stubborn for that lawyer side. I don't just they like him because I don't see many people like that when we say lawyer fuck up. They feel me. So because of those things, I don't just they like. So now I come house. As I come house, I can't carry my ass phone. I can't they call them. As I call Banff, they say make I call City one day. Sorry guys, good afternoon everybody. Sorry, the video just called. I don't know what happened. So as I call them, they say make I call again. Now I say okay. Yesterday I call. Today now as I come back for school, now I say okay. Make I still call those people, make I know what thing they happen. Because the one I talked to yesterday, I tell the guy, I say I don't feel talk to one woman like that for the office. So he say okay, no problem. What go happen? Make I call again today. The woman go there around. Now I call the woman number today. As I call the woman say yes, they get letter there. They say they want to collect my paper. Now I say, but I want to know which paper they want to collect from me. Which paper? They say because my Azul is not grant. Now I say, I want to know the reason why. Wetin I do, wetin happen. I don't fight. I don't keep person. I don't steal. I don't fight police. I don't do anything. How they'll just collect my paper? Now the woman says she go advise me, make I look for person where they speak German very well, or make I look for German person. Make it call them. Now I say, okay, no problem. She do well. I not just care. Now I still carry my phone. I can't call Banff. As I call now, the man will even ask me, say, what it be your name or this and this. As I just call, I say, I received letter saying, say my Azul is not granted. I don't understand. The man say, yes, your Azul is not granted. They have to take you back. I said, why? I have my son is a German. My son have a German passport, a German residence. So Why will you deport me? Why will you take my paper from me? The man said, are your son a resident? I said, yes. So I can't explain, give the man, had this passport, take come. Before I not get this passport, when we get paper, when I get paper for my son, that time the paper I never get the card. So these people now, bank people, they can't send letter come. So I beg my people, make I stick with use this opportunity to beg una. If maybe una baby papa dey here or anything, una can't get paper. If BAM send una, even though the paper when they send una na 20 years document, mona no collect them. Mona no collect that document. Mona take that one wey be so una get from una son or from una husband. So as I can't call the man, now I can't explain, give the man say, before, after my son get passport. So now my son, I give me documents. Not be BAMF give me documents. Now say, but last year, when I go renew my documents, now they can't change them. They can't give me my son documents. They can't see add Aduro passport joiner. Now the man say, who do one? I can't tell him. Now the man say, you know, consign them. If I get my paper from any other places, not be their business. But the problem is that they can't grant me asylum. My asylum is not granted. That means that means they have to take this passport, this asylum paper away from me. They have to take the asylum paper away from me. Like seriously. I say, okay, but you don't have to touch the other paper. The man said, no. That one is not our business. My brothers and sisters, I dey beg una. If una get this kind of passport now, una receive this kind of letter, una be careful. Una know what una want to do immediately, fast. Time no day. Because the way this man talk to me today, no be only me one that send this letter. Because if to say na only me one, the man for ask me my name, my date of birth, even the number, because they get special number on top. The man for ask, ask me anything like that. Before the man they explain, they give me say, my lady, good afternoon, ma'am. Before the man they tell me say, see how things be. I was like seriously. My sisters, if you get like this UN passport, may you know what you want to do fast. Because there's no time again to waste. This is 2020. This is 2020. So now I tell the man, say, now 2 passport. I don't know why this song they reflect. Now I tell the man, say, now 2 passport I get. You want which one you want collect? He said no. Any other paper when I get, not consign them. But what they need from me? Now the Azul paper when they give, now they'll collect. So my brothers, my sisters, more not thinking. Maybe for example, now if to say I don't get my paper from my son or from my husband. Tell me which story I for tell my mama if I go Nigeria. My papa don't die. Mama see the one side, see the hustle. See the suffer. Which story I for tell her? No be say I build one big fine mansion like that now. Or I get one big hotel or anything. When go bring money for Arisha, so I want to take care of my mom. Waiting I for tell my mama. My brothers and sisters, I beg una. This is 2020. The year just starts now. The other day, I be no want to talk about that one. You get one woman where they even deport from Munich side. But now, I don't just stay to talk about this deportation or anything. Waiting a day here for. They are doing great. Thank you very much. Yeah, we are doing great. Thank you, ma'am. So, my brothers and sisters, if you get UN passport, if they grant you asylum, be careful. Now, the same paper like this, now they take grant us asylum. Now, they feel me. They send us like this paper. One for me, one for my daughter, one for my son. But I say no, me and my son, we don't need, because my son and Gemma, I be say our three, we don't need. But the woman can't say no. Say, as it be my son, don't give me, then they go give my daughter this one. Now they see her now. If to say my son don't get Gemma passport, Mona tell me, after how many years? Now we be say I don't believe, say I don't dey live okay. As who life don't finish. Now I can't receive rejection. After they don't grant me before, say they grant you, you are allowed to stay here with passport. After the granting, now they come, send letter, say you are no longer granted. Rejection paper. I be not even know say na so rejection they be. Na person they tell me now say na rejection because you don't forget them. Say na so the rejection they be. After how many years? Hey, Jesus. Jesus. The 3 years when they give me now next year when I expire. That one now they supposed to give me unbriefisted. But they say because I don't get behinds. Certificate when I get before I lost them because of the packing. I need to restart again. You see, so as for the certificate, next time we'll talk about now. Any certificate one they get for Gem here, one they keep on well because tomorrow it go help now for future. Why this thing? Why son they disturb this thing now? I beg my people, I beg now. You need to be careful. You need to be careful. You need to pray out. If you get UN passport, if you get UN passport, you need to pray out, my sister. Even though you not get UN passport, as far as say na Azul, now then grant you paper, now then grant you stay, my sister. I know they do like this live video, make I take shake people mind, or make I take put fear for their body. No. I dey do this video so that who want pick, make it pick. Who no want pick, make it stay there for where it dey. Now they feel me so. Because this video when they do, not be say you want pay me put. Not be they pay for my internet. So I just dey do my own. Just dey do one from God. Not be say I not get topic to talk about. Things they won't be say I go talk about. But I dey do this one. So that because they say problem share, problem solve. If I not share my problem, I no go soon go solve one for me. I no go soon. Why this thing be like this now? Like this now, they good. What did they have? Okay. Okay, now it's better. Again, I do like that. I beg my brothers and sisters. I dey beg you now. My sister, my lady. After all the suffer, when I don't suffer for that Gema ring. Now, which story I for tell my mama? They say heaven help those who help themselves. Heaven help those who help themselves. If to say I not suffer, because when this paper even come that time, so people they tell me say I forget, even though say you not born for Gema, you be don't still get paper now. If to say I not born for Gema now, which story I forget to tell my mama? Which story I forget to tell my people, my friends, my family, my loved ones, even my children? What I want to tell my children say? Where I want to tell my children say I sleep? What I want to tell them say I sing? Person where they don't grant. This one not be my person story. I tell now my story. What did they happen? See, and the letter be this. Now the same letter like this. Now they take grant the 3 years. If to say I did foolish that time, I go accept that 3 years. Sorry for be my name now. Sorry for be my name. Sorry for be my name. Now see what they do. Now see what Gema they do. Now see what them they do. Now see what they do. No be say maybe get what I do now, like maybe I dey fight or I don't still work. I don't still pay tax more. I dey go school. I not be that lazy ass where be say just the boom. No. My son now dey 3 years, you don't even reach to senior. But I know what I want for life. I dey fight for my dream first. They fight for my life, for my children's life. Which story I will tell God? What I will tell my children? Say I don't get paper for 3 years now or 4 years now. Then I can't receive rejection. I want like una dey understand me, una dey understand what they talk so. Una dey understand me, una dey feel me. Una dey feel me. After 3 years of document, of having good document, or 4 years, one day you just wake up, say you don't get document again. You no fight, you no thief, you no do anything. You no kill, you no rape. You just hear say your paper don't go. They don't collect your paper from you. They don't collect them for you. Oh yeah, make it tell no yeah. My sisters, I know they shake on our mind. Mon mind no shake. Because they fit send me this letter, but maybe they not go send you. But they do this one, I not just want to shake anybody mind. I not do want to shake you. I not do want make you take the panic or make you run come out. Because they fit send me, they not go send you. But what I want to tell you be say, when I not forget, say last year they talk and say, this year go dey hot. They go collect many people paper. With it saying a joke. See the paper, they want to collect them now. They send me this letter, say Mazo. It's not granted. It's not granted. When I wait, make I read small. Because as I dey talk, many of una go even think say maybe in a letter when my husband sent for me, I day. Or maybe another thing. Make I read down small more na year. Na English show I want read that be na Dutch, na German oh. It's na Dutch show, no worry, make I read you too. Because English show it's small. So that people when they hear German inside, they go understand German oh. The English people oh, they go constantly understand the English show. So they say Bescheid. In den Vidrufs Rukneme Verfahren der my name. Geboren so yeah. So the Conrad say number 1 oh, me the Bescheid von 10 Estes 2018. That is when I go interview. They say Zukante Flüchtlingers Gemeinschaft Wud Zurück genommen. Now they understand. Now they put the year Dutch inside, you go understand. 2. They can say the subsidiary Schutzstatus wird nicht zukannt. Oh, Coco. This number 3 now I want read. Now only lawyer go fit understand the Coco. Because they say Abschreibungsverboten nach 60 Abs 5 und 7 Sat 1 des Aufenthaltsgesetzes liegen nicht vor. Now they feel the paper plenty. If I say make I read all of them for now, my brothers and sisters, nobody go work, nobody go eat, nobody go do anything. Paper plenty. They can write the Azulländerin ist nigerianisch, Staatsgeorg, von Vogue de Edo und Christlicher. So they can resend me everything. When be say I tell them for interview, they can print everything come. Make a cut and short, make a still go English show. Dutch people who they hear Dutch inside will not understand my pidgin. Now go understand that one. Although sometimes my tongue the gas they be case if I don't understand what I read, but no one know if you don't understand, you go understand. But if you not still understand, try understand or ask Google waiting be the meaning. So with that English show. Okay, the English show they can say may I go up. Number 1, the granting of refugee status of, please quote the date of the decision rate. Please quote the case number. Please, I'm busy. Okay? Thank you. Case number of the decision is withdrawal. 2, subsidiary protection status is not granted. Now the film is so. Protection status is not granted. When be said they don't send me granting paper, I think maybe 3 years ago or so. Now they send me granting paper. Say they grant my asylum. Say they grant me and my children to stay here. Now they send and say no way. So number 3, they can say deportation bans. That one a lawyer go understand that. Deportation bans as per paragraph 60 para 5 and para 7 line 1 of the Residence Acts do not exist. That one only lawyer go feel understand. I don't understand that. Now the film is so. Now the film is so. Now the scene. After all the suffer, when I don't suffer since. Like seriously. So they say you will find the translation of the information on the right appeal on the following page. This describes the procedure for appealing the decision by the federal office and states the address of the relevant administrative court again for the information on your rights of appeal. The official German language version that is part of the German notification appeal. Oh lo. When I see how they hear what they tell me or what they send me. So they say you can appeal against this notification within 2 weeks of delivering to. I need to reappeal, like seriously. If to say I don't get paper now, like not be this Adoro paper, like another paper now. Now, as me and you they talk now. Now for the run, they go lawyer place, go they fight case again. After how many years when be say I don't get paper? Oh boy, this case, this matter gets a bill. It too the sweet for you. Paper plenty, make I not waste my time. Paper plenty. I don't want, if now I make I read everything, I go read them. But make I not waste my time. See them. This one I don't read them. Okay. Yeah. They say at the administrative court, the date of receipt by the administrative court is key to determine whether the appeal was received in time. The lawsuit must name the plaintiff, respondent, and the subject of the lawsuit. Demand it is to be directed against the Federal Republic of Germany, represented by the Federal Minister of the Interior, represented in turn by the head of the Federal Office for Migration and Refugees in Nuremberg. It should contain a particular application. The facts and the evidence used to provide evidence for the lawsuit must be stated within a period of 1 month after delivery of this notification. The court can reject declaration and evidence provided after the end of this period and without further investigation to determine if their permission would delay the completion of the legal dispute in the opinion of the court, and there is no adequate reason for the delay. Session para po. So come put para no verse because now waiting the right here, so I don't feel can they read the number session para 85B this one. So now the film, now the scene, now the year. In the event that the decision of the Bundesamt for Migration and Flüchtlinge Federal Office for Migration and Refugees transmitted handed over include a threat of deportation or deportation order or observance of the following remark is requested. Important information according to the Aufenthaltsgesetz, that's the paper. Germany resident account. Instruction in the accordance with usual paragraph. If you suffer, wanna listen. When be say I do this one on a paper, I know the lie. When be say get one video when I do, one idiot. I be not the like to swear for person, but that woman I real idiot. She's a big fool. She even get the morale after she don't comment stupid things. She get the morale and still saying boss me. Say make I stop to the talk about Germany because waiting and they talk now lie. Wanna listen now. Wanna listen to waiting they this paper now. Now them not be me right time. Wanna listen. So they say instruction in accordance with 60 R2D Aufenthaltsgesetz. It say if you suffer from an illness that could impede deportation, one of the list you must substantiate this with a medical certificate. When I talk and say if they see go, people say not lie. You are obliged to submit this medical certificate immediately to the Foreigners Registration Office responsible for you. The date of the medical certificate is deceived for the observance of the criteria immediately. If medical certificates have been issued that could impede the deportation of your underage child, you must likewise submit. Beg, man, leave me. Man, they call me. You must likewise submit this If you fail to submit this certificate or do so blatantly, the finding made in this medical certificate can no longer be taken into account in the deportation. Your submission to the effect that you or one of your underage children is ill will not be heard in the deportation. So, who dey hear English now, make them listen well. Because if I dey talk, sometimes I will say, wetin dey talk, you too dey lie. This one on paper, now the right hand, not me right hand, not me print am. This also applies even if you submit the certificate immediately, but it fails to meet the legal requires. If the Foreigners Registration Office responsible for you adopts the certificate heinous, una know what they call heinous, abi? My sister, hey, my sister, the story tire me. I know say some people when don't know me now, they will say, I forget and lie, she not forget paper, she just do packaging. I know you do packaging. I know you do packaging, and I know fi una see I know you do packaging. Una see all those ones na passport. I know if they do packaging, nothing like packaging. So, wherefore, may I continue again? If the Foreign Registration Office respond for you, adopt the certificate heinous, it can order a medical or medical officer examination. If you do not obey this order without adequate ground, the responsible authority is entitled not to take the illness submitted into account in the deportation. Now, they hear me? Instruction in accordance with 50 paragraph. On account of your obligation to leave the country, you are obliged in accordance with 50 paragraph to notify any change of accommodation and any departure from the district of the Foreigners Registration Office for more than 3 days in advance to the Foreigners Registration Office responsible for you. If you breach this obligation, you must expect that you will be taken into custody period to deportation. Court, more than no verse is still court again. Now the thing to deportation, period to deportation. So another one. It says information on the suspension of deportation on ground of vacational training, post out to section 60 paragraph. And on an unuseful asylum application does not in principle result in determination of any vacational training already begin. In this case, a suspension of deportation can be granted for the duration of the vacational training after your temporary resident permit has expired. If you have any question in this regard, please contact your nearest migrant office. Azube order. Not finished. So fast. The English show is short, just more. The English show short. I be want continue. So that now we be say sometimes, if I speak English, una say my English no good. If I still speak pidgin, una not see they understand me. Sister we mumu, you wait write me. I believe say now this one are not me. Not my papa print this paper now. This one not me printer. I not go buy this the way to the column. Come write, put all those things. Say you they lie. What they talk about Gemini lie. This one now they send down to me. Now me, Mama A and D, the Goldie voice. Now me they send this letter to me blessing. Now they send this letter to. No be you, no be person. Now me. So if I tell now waiting I know, Mona they tell me say, Madam, you too they lie. Una see now. After how many years now when I get documents? Now 2020. Now I can receive letter. Say my azul is not granted. First, now them when my baby paper come inside. Now them still send me letter say we grant you azul, your azul will be granted. If to say I don't use my sense now, say I don't want that paper. If to say I don't reject that paper now, you see, what if what happen to my enemy today? What if what happen to me today? What if what happen to me today? Many of una when they say I like you, I love you, mama, I and D, mama. Many of una for even forget me, for even they call and say I beg, I need to help. Una not go even answer. Una not go answer. Una go say I beg, forget that side. Be that girl. Now see a person they talk to una, mona they take. But a person come outside now for live video, come they pull life for person head. Person will not thief, will not carry sickness. They say carry sickness, una go they believe. When person go they tell una something where be say go see help una future, may help una brave, una go they say person they lie. Waiting I want gain if I lie. Una the same money my country they do my video. I been on they pay for my wifey. No. Una not they call me say I bet can't talk about this thing. Nobody they pay me. Nobody they pay me. I they do this thing to support people when be say who want know. When I see now person we don't get paper for how many years? If to say I not get all those ones now, which story I for tell God? If this one come out now, no problem. I still dey balance. I still dey can't pay. I still dey big that. But if to say now only this one I can't get now, wetin I for do? Wetin I for do? I know they sick. Pikin know they sick. Wetin I want for? Wetin they for take grant me? Wetin they for take grant me? Now hear wetin this letter talk now. Not be me right now. Now hear am. Wetin they for take grant me? Wetin they for take grant me? Now see wetin they for take grant me? People, person they talk, people would say, forget that side. This and this, you do the lie, you do this and this. Now the see now. Sister, you won't write me that they not try am, eh? I they beg you. May you not try am. If I do video, you like am, you don't like am. More na not inbox me private. Come tell me say not do that video again. Cause what you talk now lie. So sister when mumu, you see now inside the letter when they send come now. Now they go write and put now. You see now, sister when mumu. When be say many of you now even get the country. Now not even know what they happen. You they talk say you don't do the year for many. Now don't do many years. You they lie. Not be waiting they happen. When be so now not even they happen. Now not even know what they happen for a country one a day. Waiting I know now to come and say go carry children, go stand for train station. They look for man we go sleep with you now for 10 euro. See, I never get anybody time. I never and I don't even want get anybody time. So madams them or even men, I don't care. So next time if I dey talk, if you don't like my word, just pass. Just pass. Say you can't write me. You are free to write any comment on my wall. That one on your own. Say you can't write me for private. They tell me say that word when you talk now lie. Not the talk again. May anybody not try am again. I be good girl. I be peacemaker. I know the lie problem. I know the lie problem. Cause if person don't first see something before, you don't first stubborn before time they reach, you go come say this time now time of calming down, time of changing. So now time to change. So my people now see what they happen. After I don't get paper for how many years? 2020 now they come send letter. Come say my azu is not granted. After I don't tell me say my azu is granted though. And now they come tell me say my azu is not granted. Why my azu is not granted now? I no key. I no do anything. I still work for a few months, pay tax. Now they even stop me. Oh, say whether I value the money past my children. Because then my children know they go school. I need to pay person, may they take care of them. They say person will never fit take care of his children, finish. Now they pay me, they take care of my children. Now they still stop me that time. I will not come to work again. Now they go school. Not be say they get waiting, I don't do. Say maybe I don't keep person or go rape or go do waiting I'm not supposed to do. Say I don't disobey the law or maybe I don't go fight police or anything. There was nothing like that. Now see I'm now. After many years, 2020, now they send letter come. Say your azu is not granted. Una they feel waiting and they feel now they understand me. Una they understand waiting. I don't sure so now they understand. No, people know they understand waiting and they talk self. Like seriously. Person don't send you letter, say you don't get paper. The paper you don't even get now for hand. You don't see and say you don't get. After some years, you don't do anything. They'll just send you paper, say, see waiting happen. I know some people sit saying, shut up, madam, maybe get what you do. Now lie. What I do? Nothing. Nothing. I know say some of them will say, forget. You do something, you don't want to talk, oh. Talk truth, man. What do you do? If I do something, I'll still talk, say, see what you do. Normal fight with Nigeria people, that one I'm sure. Nobody, no place where be say they for not the quarrel. Nobody where be say never quarrel with person before. Say to keep person or constant person. No, I never do one before. Maybe that time or that year, where be say I be Mama T. Not be now. But say Jamie here, no, nothing like that now. Just wake up one morning, consent letter, say your azul have been rejected. Hey, yeah. Sisters them, I dey beg una with the name of God. If una get this UN passport, wanna find what you go do by all means. Fast. Because if you never receive this letter today, pray may you not receive one tomorrow. Because the way this man say talk today, no be only me one they send the letter to. The man not even ask me my name. You not even ask me the number of my case, because normally they ask. The man not even ask anything. The man begin the yarn. Now the see. If I the shout say help those who help themselves, people go say forget that side. Forget that side. When I dey also for paper, many of them they call me names. Who